Okay guys, I want to show you the procedure we take when we have to fix what someone didn't do properly. These wheels were painted liquid paint. They should have been powder coated, but as you can see, the paint's peeling. The paint's chipping easily. I can just take it off with my fingers. It's chrome. Well, you can't paint chrome unless you prep it properly. And this is the prepping process. You literally have to torch the wheel. These wheels were burning the wheel. We're taking off all the paint. We're getting it back down to the chrome. We're going to sandblast it, and then we're going to sand it by hand, and then we're going to prime it and powder coat these wheels black the proper way. It's a lot of work, but as you can see, we're stripping the wheel down back to the metal. These are two of them that are finished product burned. We're getting ready to sandblast it and then prime it. This is the wheel before. So burning the wheel is a long, arduous process. We do it because it's the only way to do it and do it right. HoustonWheelRepair.org, mywheeldoctor.com. Another reason why we are the best.